Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take longer screenshot in iOS 26.2. There is a small prerequisite for this feature, which is if you hit on the settings, then click on general and then screen capture. Here you have to make sure that full screen previews are on. If it's off, then if you take the screenshot, it will not show up on the screen. So while if you turn it on and then go to your desired website of which you want to take the longer screenshot, just simply take the screenshot. On the right side you will see the option of full page. So all you need to do is just tap on full page, and here you go, you will see the full page screenshot. So here tap on it. You can just simply save PDF to files, or you can just tap on share and you can send to anyone through email, through airdrop, or any other website. So that's it for today's short tutorial. See you in the next one.